Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can edit in tablet view on your Squarespace website. Now, when you go to your Squarespace website UI here, and you can go on the right hand side, there's two desktop view. There's a desktop view and there's a mobile view. So this mobile view will show you what it look like on a mobile device, right? But unfortunately, Squarespace do not have a built-in function to show it in a tablet view. But I can show you a pretty guerrilla workaround for this problem. Now, first off, you have to go on the mobile view here and you want to go on the preview. Now, once you preview here, you want to inspect the element with whatever browser you have. So just click on inspect element. Now, as you can see here, right now, it's on the normal view, right? Just click on this button here to toggle the device toolbar. Now, what we made is that we essentially turn it into a phone, what it look like on the phone, and we can adjust the orientation to whatever we'd like. So if you want it to be a tablet view, let's just make it into a rectangular here that's laying down per se. Like the layout is landscaped, right? And from here, you can adjust you can adjust what you see on your website here. So this is essentially like seeing your website on a tablet, right? So, but I do think that this solution is impractical, right? Because you have to uh look at this, adjust, and then you'll need to go back to the Squarespace website, and then you need to edit what you want, and then you have to go back to the inspect element again, and then you have to rearrange some stuff if it doesn't fit to what you want, so on and so forth. But because Squarespace doesn't allow or doesn't have the inbuilt function of tablet view, this is a pretty good workaround for the time being.